Right now, inside your body, tiny repair crews are quietly inspecting the blueprint of your cells. Most people don't realize that every moment you're sitting, your DNA, the instruction manual for every cell, is slowly accumulating micro-damage. It's subtle, invisible, and yet it quietly affects your body's efficiency. But here's the thing. After just 30 minutes of walking, this hidden repair machinery begins to spring into action. Because what happens next will change the way you think about a simple walk forever. Imagine your body as a vast high-tech factory. Every cell is a workstation, every gene a critical machine. Sitting is like leaving the factory in idle mode. Lights dimmed, tools resting, and minor errors stacking up. But as you start walking, even at a slow pace, the factory flickers back to life. Machines hum, sensors light up, and the first internal signals, tiny biochemical messengers, whisper, "It's time to work." In the first few minutes, your heart begins to pump more efficiently, sending oxygen-rich blood racing through your veins. Muscles twitch with renewed purpose, and enzymes start circulating like delivery drones, carrying critical components to where they're needed most. DNA repair proteins, often dormant while you're sedentary, are suddenly activated. It's subtle, but inside each cell, a molecular cleanup crew is preparing to correct errors accumulated over weeks or months. This is where most people stop noticing the magic, but this is where it starts. As your walk continues, the activation phase kicks in. Fat cells start releasing stored energy, hormones adjust to the movement, and circulation accelerates. Your repair proteins, called polymerases and ligases, move with astonishing precision, scanning for breaks, misaligned sequences, or oxidative damage. Imagine tiny robots meticulously rewiring circuits inside each cell. Glowing signals like shimmering lines of energy dart between the nucleus and cytoplasm, guiding the repair machinery. You may not feel it consciously, but your body is orchestrating a symphony of restoration. Now watch this. At the peak of this 30-minute window, DNA repair activity is at its highest. Cells are correcting errors before they become problems. Telomeres, the protective caps at the ends of chromosomes, receive maintenance signals, slowing cellular aging. Energy produced from active muscles fuels these repairs, and mitochondria, the power plants of cells, hum with glowing efficiency. Your body is literally using movement to self-heal. The more consistent the activity, the more coordinated the repair. After your walk, the after-effect phase begins. Even when you stop, repair proteins continue their work for hours. Your cells remain in a heightened state of readiness, maintaining genomic integrity and preparing for future challenges. Blood flow gradually normalizes, muscles relax, and hormones settle into a balanced rhythm. This internal adaptation isn't just about fixing damage. It's about reinforcing the resilience of your cells, wiring your body for better efficiency and health with each step you take. But here's the part most people miss. Your body is not fighting against itself. It's intelligently responding to signals you provide. Walking isn't just exercise. It's a direct command to cellular repair mechanisms. It's a reminder that your body, given the right conditions, is capable of remarkable self-maintenance. By reframing your perspective, you realize that sitting isn't just rest. It's a pause in the factory of life. Movement, even gentle, reactivates it. Research supports this subtle yet powerful effect. Studies show that moderate walking triggers increases in DNA repair enzymes, improves oxidative balance, and even supports telomere maintenance. In one trial, individuals walking 30 minutes daily showed measurable increases in cellular repair markers compared to sedentary controls. The evidence is clear. Motion is a trigger for self-repair. Now, consider the consequences of inactivity. Without movement, DNA errors accumulate silently. Over time, these microdamages contribute to inflammation, cellular dysfunction, and accelerated aging. Sitting doesn't just feel inert, it allows damage to linger. The contrast is striking. A simple walk transforms your internal environment, activating protective systems you rarely think about. With consistent walking, the transformation message becomes tangible. Cellular adaptation improves. Repair systems become more efficient. Your body rewires itself to respond to stress, metabolize energy effectively, and maintain genetic stability. What was once a passive, dormant process becomes a dynamic, robust system, all because you chose to move. By the end of your walk, the emotional and scientific conclusion is undeniable. Your body isn't broken, it's responding intelligently. Walking is more than steps. It's a signal to your cells to restore, repair, and prepare. Every stride carries the promise of self-healing. Every minute reinforces your body's resilience. You become a participant in your own cellular maintenance, not just an observer. What surprised you most about this process? Was it the speed at which repair mechanisms activate? Or the way your body uses movement as a direct cue for self-maintenance? Share your thoughts in the comments, because understanding your body's hidden capacities changes the way you experience every step. And now, the next time you take a walk, remember, you are not just moving, you are repairing, restoring, and rewiring yourself from the inside out.